In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size of reports in QuickBooks Online. If you're someone who relies on QuickBooks Online to manage your financial reports, you know how important it is to have clear, readable data. Sometimes the default text size on your reports might feel a bit too small or maybe even too large for your comfort. The good news is you can easily adjust the zoom level to get the perfect view. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to customize the font size in your QuickBooks Online reports. And if you're new to QuickBooks Online, be sure to check out the link in the description below to create your account and get started. All right, let's dive right in. First, start by opening the specific report you want to view in QuickBooks Online. This could be any report that contains the data you need. Once the report is open, move your cursor anywhere over the report window to make sure it's active. This tells your browser that the report is the area you want to interact with. Next, on your keyboard, press and hold down the Control key. While holding Control, use your mouse wheel to adjust the zoom level. To zoom in and enlarge the text, simply scroll upward with your mouse wheel. You'll notice that the font size increases, making the text easier to read. On the other hand, if you need to zoom out and make the text smaller, scroll downward with the mouse wheel. This gives you full control over how the report is displayed on your screen. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts instead of the mouse wheel, there's an alternative method. While still holding the Control key, press the plus key to zoom in. Each time you press the plus key, the text will grow larger. To zoom out, hold Control and press the minus key. This will reduce the size of the text step by step. And if you ever need to quickly reset the zoom back to the default view, simply press Ctrl+0. This resets everything to its original size, which can be helpful if you're switching between different reports. Now, if you find that the zoom adjustment doesn't respond immediately, don't worry. Just click inside the report window to ensure it's active, then try the zooming steps again. Occasionally, QuickBooks Online or your browser might need that extra click to recognize where you're working. Finally, keep in mind that you may need to adjust the zoom individually for each report or window you open. This is because the zoom level is specific to the current view, so switching to a different report or section may require you to repeat these steps. And that's it. By following these simple instructions, you can customize the font size of your QuickBooks Online reports to suit your preferences, whether you're working with detailed financial data or just need a clearer view. These tools make it easy to get the most out of your reports. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.